Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to iitiansgateclasses. So those who are watching this session, please respond. Am I audible? Am I audible, guys? Okay, perfect, guys. So this session is regarding GATE 2025 aerospace preparation, and recently IIT Roorkee have shared officially GATE syllabus. So for syllabus for GATE Aerospace Engineering is kind of same as uh, last year GATE syllabus. Okay, there is no change in GATE Aerospace Engineering syllabus. Okay, and at IIT's GATE classes, we have different courses for GATE 2025 and 2026. GATE Aerospace Online Coaching, Target GATE course, or this is known as recorded course, and we have distance learning program. So these three courses are available for non-IGC students, and GATE online test series is only available for IGC students. So, guys, this is in brief about myself. I am Dinesh Kumar Maheshwari. I am organizer cum chief mentor at IGC, and I got AER 41 in GATE 2009. So, I have been mentoring students all the way from 2009 for GATE Aerospace and other GATE paper aspirants. Okay, so today we'll be discussing about GATE Aerospace Engineering, and in brief, GATE exam, most of you are already aware who have enrolled in IGC, or those who have written GATE exam in third year. So GATE exam is of 3 hours, 100 marks, and it will be in online mode. And the full form of GATE is what? Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. So whatever you learn in engineering, you need to know well to crack GATE exam or do good in GATE. So there are two sections: general aptitude, all of you know, for 15 marks, and technical subjects for 85 marks. And there are 10 questions from general aptitude, 5 for 1 marks, 5 for 2 marks. And there are 55 questions from technical, so 1 marks 25 question, and 2 marks for 30 question. Now there are three type of questions they ask in GATE exam: multiple choice questions, MCQs, multiple select questions, MSQs, and numerical answer type questions, NATs. And there is a negative marking involved with only MCQs, okay, for this first kind of questions, and there is no negative marking for MSQs and NATs. Okay, now guys, GATE 2025 will be organized by IIT Roorkee, and last time IIT Roorkee organized GATE in 2017. Am I correct, guys? Anybody? The last time IIT Roorkee organized GATE in 2017. Anyone? Those who are watching this session. So 2016 paper was by ISC, and 2024 paper is also by ISC. So 2017 paper was by IIT Roorkee, And anybody can tell about 2017 paper, Bharat? Others, can anybody tell about 2017 paper? What is the specialty of 2017 paper? What is the specialty of 2017 paper? So 2017 and now we are in 2025 gate. Okay, so 2017 paper was toughest paper in the history of gate aerospace engineering. Okay, guys, 2017 was toughest paper. Okay, in history of gate aerospace engineering. Like 2017, 2023 paper was also tough, but not as tough like 2017. So guys, be ready for all type of paper, either tough paper or easy paper. Okay, you may find some paper easy, some paper tough. Okay, but guys, you should be ready for all type of paper, and you all know 2017 paper was very easy paper. Okay, 2017 paper was quite easy paper. How many of you have written 2024 paper was quite easy, and how many of you have written 2024 paper? Anybody who have written, please respond. Okay. Now come to syllabus part. So in general aptitude, mainly the syllabus is quantitative aptitude, 3D and spatial aptitude, English and reasoning. So there are more questions from quantitative aptitude and 3D and spatial aptitude, and there are questions from English and reasoning, like 2 to 3 question max. Okay, from verbal and other. But nowadays they are asking this 3D and spatial aptitude especially more. So guys, do prepare accordingly. Now come to syllabus for engineering mathematics. So for engineering mathematics, guys, core topics they have mentioned linear algebra, calculus, and differential equations. But there are special topics, and there are many special topics like Laplace transformation, numerical methods, and complex analysis, probability and statistic, and Fourier series. So usually guys, we see questions in gate aerospace mostly from linear algebra, always calculus, differential equation, and there are questions like from numerical methods, probability and statistic. Also this year there was a question, Laplace transformation. Okay, and complex variable and Fourier series they ask, like sometimes they do not ask. Okay, but these topics also equally important. What is the weightage for English, engineering mathematics? Usually it is like 13 plus minus. Okay, 13 marks around weightage is there. Okay. Now the next part in syllabus is flight mechanics. So usually flight mechanics is what a core aerospace engineering subject. So in flight mechanics, we have 3 different topics. One is atmosphere, basics of aircraft performance, then aircraft performance, and aircraft stability. So in aircraft stability, there are 2 different part. One is static stability and then dynamic stability. But these two clubs together under aircraft stability. Okay. And the weightage for this flight mechanics is usually, you can say, varies. It is 17 to 23 marks around, it varies. Now space dynamics, which is section 3, very small subject and very less topics in this, only few topics: central force, motion, determination of trajectory, and orbital period in simple cases, Kepler's law, escape velocity. And it's very easy also. Usually the weightage is 3 to 5 marks. Okay, for space dynamics. Anyone can study this space dynamics easily. Now the next is aerodynamics, section 4. So aerodynamics starts from fluid basics. You can see basic fluid mechanics, and then potential flow theory, aerofoil and wings, like thin aerofoil theory and finite wing theory, and then gas dynamics, which is what? Compressible fluid flow. Then there are additional special topics like wind tunnel testing, measurement and visualization techniques, sound shock boundary layer, interaction. All these are part of compressible fluid flow or gas dynamics. Now, this is 2025. Okay, the 2025 structures. So in 2025 structures, we have again three subjects. One is strength of material, and before strength of material, guys, prior there is subjects called engineering mechanics. Okay, engineering mechanics. So in IGC we start with engineering mechanics, then strength of material, and then this flight vehicle structure is also known as thin walled structure, and structural dynamics is nothing but mechanical vibration. Okay. There are special topics from mechanical vibrations like vibration of beams, which is continuous vibration, theory of elasticity, equilibrium and compatibility equation, air stress function. So these are the topics from aircraft structures basics and clubbed with strength of material. In strength of material, you guys can see, guys, here statically determinant and indeterminate trusses. So usually, guys, the trusses, these vectors, uh, and then other topics like cross-sectional properties, equation of motion, all these things we study in what? Engineering mechanics. So engineering mechanics also important for all other subjects. Propulsion. So in propulsion, guys, you can see it starts basics thermodynamics, but they have not mentioned any particular syllabus for thermodynamics. So usually what you need to know, you need to know at least till basics of thermodynamics, like till entropy and enthalpy, which we cover very well in IGC, like first law of thermodynamics, second law of thermodynamics, and then different cycles, and then entropy, enthalpy. Then there is a boundary layer, which is again basics from fluid. Heat transfer, they just mention, I think only once they have asked questions from heat transfer. Then there is combustion and thermochemistry. So thermochemistry, guys, from your 11th chemistry, they are asking frequently questions, and combustion is again part of propulsion. Okay, core propulsion. Then, guys, next is aerothermodynamics of aircraft engines, like different cycles and analysis. Then turbo machinery like compressor and turbine. So there further in turbo machinery they have divided centrifugal compressor, axial turbines, and the last is what? Rocket propulsion. Here also they have added special topics, but in propulsion syllabus you cannot study like core and special particularly, because many of the topics will be interrelated. Now, how in IGC we divide syllabus? Earlier also in different sessions we have discussed. So we take engineering mathematics at top, which is very important for every engineer, and we start always our course with engineering mathematics. Then structures module is divided in engineering mechanics, strength of material, aircraft structure, and mechanical vibration. And basically this engineering mechanics is related with your aerodynamics module of fluid mechanics, as well as in flight mechanics also aircraft performance, like equation of motion and all we use, and many other concepts from engineering mechanics. So propulsion module we divide like basic thermodynamics, jet propulsion, rocket propulsion. Aerodynamics module fluid mechanics, aerodynamics, gas dynamics. And space dynamics is divided in two parts, very small basics of gravitational field and orbit mechanics. And the last and the most important in GATE syllabus, where the real difference comes in your rank is general aptitude, which is not tough, but again you need to do good practice, and we in IGC give a lot of emphasis on aptitude as well. Now the next part, which is very important for all of you to understand, subject weightage. So if you try to understand subject weightage from last 2024 paper, which is from ISC Bengaluru, okay, the general aptitude, there are 10 questions always, which is 15 marks. Then engineering mechanics, they ask 6 questions and for 9 marks. But there are questions in like engineering mechanics, one question which you can say overlap between engineering mathematics and engineering mechanics, okay. And there was one questions also in engineering mechanics first time from what Newton's law. There was a question which was based on displacement, velocity and acceleration, okay. And in engineering mechanics another question was from trusses. Aerodynamics, it was for 11 marks, 11 questions, 17 marks. So in aerodynamics there are three subjects, which is fluid mechanics, uh, low speed aerodynamics and compressible fluid flow. Structures, aircraft structures. So here there are two subjects which are SOM and flight vehicle structure. And here aerodynamics like fluid mechanics, then aero and GD. Okay, so here 8 questions for 13 marks, and mechanical vibration there were 3 questions which are for 4 marks. Propulsion, there are 11 questions for 17 marks, but in propulsion, usually in GATE they ask questions only from jet propulsion as well as rocket propulsion. Flight mechanics, which has 3 part, 10 question came for 16 marks, and space dynamics, there were 3 questions and for 5 marks. So this is how the subject weightage uh, for last 2024 paper, and this 2024 paper was easiest paper in GATE aerospace history. If you see the marks obtained, the highest marks was around 87 marks, okay. For AR1, there was 87 marks, and cutoff was also higher in GATE 2024. It was 32, 33 marks around. Okay. Now, guys, if you see the prior, papers, how the subject-wise marks distribution. So, if you take 2023 paper, which is from IIT Kanpur, you can see math. There are 9 questions for 13 marks. Aerodynamics 9 questions for 13 marks. Gas dynamics, there were more questions in this 23 paper and 11 marks. So, this aero plus GD, total 15 questions, 24 marks. They asked so many questions in GATE 2023 from aerodynamics section. Aircraft structure 8 questions for 14 marks, propulsion 9 questions for 13 marks, flight mechanics 8 for 12, and mechanical vibration like that. So like this you guys can see for 22, 21 and 22. What you see red is highlighted with abnormality. If you take 2022 paper, so engineering mathematics they asked 11 question and it is for 17 marks, so very high, usually 13 marks, so it is 17 marks. Same way aircraft structures 12 question for 18 marks, okay. So lot many questions were there from strength of material in 2022 paper. Now if you take 2021 paper, it was also tough paper like 2017 or 2023 or so in this paper also flight mechanics they asked more, 12 questions for 20 marks, okay. But there is only one questions from space, so it varies. Now guys, further if you see this IIT Roorkee paper, so try to understand guys, 2017 paper and this year again, since it's a IIT Roorkee, organizing GATE exam. So there are 10 questions for general aptitude, 10 for math, so 15 marks. Aerodynamics plus gas dynamics, 11 questions, 18 marks. Structures, propulsion, perfect, 17. Flight mechanics, 15 question. And mechanical vibration, only one question for 2 marks. Space, again more. So I think this paper is again a kind of well balanced paper. They have given more weightage, little more weightage to mathematics. Otherwise, and they have reduced weightage from mechanical vibration as well as space dynamics. But if you guys try to solve that paper, is a lengthy paper. Okay, and the highest in 2017 paper. In 2017 paper, the highest marks were around 65 marks. Our Nitin sir in IGC, we had earlier Nitin sir, now also there, but currently he's in USA pursuing PhD. Our aerodynamics expert, he was AR 8 in 2017 paper with 57 marks, 57 to 58 marks. Okay, so that kind of paper it was. Now guys, if you take this year, 2024 with AR 8, the marks is around 75 plus. So that is the huge difference between easy and tough paper. So guys, any doubt? Those who are watching this session, guys, have any doubt? Bharat, others, those who are watching this session, have any doubt? No doubt, guys. Okay, perfect. So, guys, if you see now further, there are two basic subjects where lot many subjects are dependent, especially in aerospace, strength of material and fluid mechanics. Thermodynamics is also there, but usually from thermo in aerospace, thermo and engineering mechanics, usually they are not asking question in gate aerospace. Okay, but strength of material and fluid mechanics, they usually ask questions. Okay, so if you take 2023 paper, I have not given 2024 paper separately, but 2023 paper, if you take, there were 6 questions from strength of material. There were 10 questions, guys, here in 2022. Lot many questions were there from strength of material, 10 question, and 2021 7 question. Now if you take fluid mechanics, there are 2 questions in 2023, but if you take 2022 paper, there are 5 questions from basic fluid mechanics. So guys, year to year this varies. So what is the crux of this? You should be prepared well for all subjects, all topic when you go for gate exam. Now if you see the summary, in summary section 4 aerodynamics, always 20 plus minus marks. Section 5 structures, 20 plus minus marks. Section 0, which is general aptitude, 15 plus minus marks. Flight mechanics, guys, 15 plus minus. Propulsion also 15 plus minus. Engineering mathematics 12 or 13 plus minus. And space dynamics 2, or you can say better 3 plus minus, and it is 13 plus minus. Okay, or you can say these also sometime 17 plus minus. Okay, so guys, this is how marks distribution in gate aerospace syllabus as per the syllabus given section wise. Okay, now guys, what are the most important subject in gate aerospace engineering? There are subjects like general aptitude, engineering mathematics, strength of material. In propulsion, I will write it as jet propulsion. And another important subject is aircraft performance. Okay, so these are the most important subject. Without preparing well for these subjects, like general aptitude, engineering mathematics, strength of material, jet propulsion, aircraft performance. You cannot be a topper. Okay, you need to do well at least in these subjects. And you guys can see this is the summary which I have discussed already. Now guys, the next part is reference books. Okay, so already I have shared one short on Gate Aerospace reference books, so you guys can see these are the best reference books for Gate Aerospace Engineering. And IGC provides e-books for their students. Okay, I'll share the link those who didn't get yet. And how to prepare for Gate Aerospace, guys? The one thing which is very important, when to start preparation. So I always suggest, guys, you must start preparation at least by fourth semester when you are in second year. So starting of the fourth semester, if you start preparation, you can write Gate in third year where you are eligible, or you should start in fifth or at least in sixth semester. Still you have not started preparation, then you must start in seventh semester, because uh, uh, seventh semester is starting. So that means you can write your Gate in eighth semester when you are passing your engineering. Now, ideally, what is the time period to get very any good rank? It's usually 6 years to 6 months to 1 year is enough to get any top rank. And there are some students from very good institutes like IIST Trivandrum, or some other brilliant students can even get the best rank with 2 to 4 months preparation also, or any other students can also get a reasonable rank with the good preparation or hard work of 2 to 4 months also, along with smart work. Now you guys need like online preparation, offline, that is up to you guys, but usually both have its own advantage and disadvantage. IGC only take online classes, because online classes we feel have more advantage than offline classes. Offline classes have major advantage of psychological interaction, but in online classes the classes are more flexible, have better learning approach like recording of classes, better content, and many other advantages. You need not to travel, you need not to sit in any other city. You can learn from your home, you can save a lot of money, time, and you can prepare well. So that's why IGC is stick to only online classes and online programs. Now, guys, there are different approaches to prepare by self-study. Yes, Gate can be prepared by self-study. If you fall in this category and follow these steps, you can do self-study. And by coaching also, of course, IGC is a coaching institute, and we provide professional supports to our student, and we provide best support. So those who are in different coaching institute, they can also follow these basic steps. So what is the key, or how to get best Gate score? So there are simple three things, 3Ds. You need to have discipline learning, dedication, and determination to get best rank in Gate. 2Cs, you need to be always consistent, committed, and you need to be regular and always try to improve. If you are an average student, you should always look for improvement. If you are a brilliant student, then you should work more on accuracy, revisions, and practice part to get any best rank. And what are the best resources for Gate 2025 preparation? So IGC is a top-notch institute in India for Gate Aerospace Engineering. We provide live and recorded lectures. If you want to follow the materials, IGC study materials, short notes are one of best. IGC topic-wise assignments, IGC PYQ solutions, both in document and video format. We have provided all 17 years of PYQ solution in video format on our YouTube channel. You guys can follow on IITiansGateclasses channel, IGC YouTube channel. Okay, not on this channel, on other channel. Okay. Then IGC mock exams are must for IGC student. Okay, where we have different kind of exams, topic wise, subject wise, module wise, and 12 full syllabus exam. IGC mentoring and guidance and IGC doubt support, which is phenomenal. 24 into 7 support. If you take December and January month, uh, our groups are most active group. Okay, and if you guys have any further doubt, you guys can ask me. Anything related to gate preparation, gate exam, opportunities through gate, how to go about any subjects, you guys are free to ask. Harsh, any doubt? Bharat, Mansa, Rachit, Devesh, Anil, Priyankal, Parnav, Saurabh, Sonika, Abhishek, Vaishnavi, Shaundarya, Prajwalika. Okay. So guys, no doubt. So guys, do like, share this session. If you are, say for IGC students, 2025 students, right? The test series access will be by default. No extra payment. Okay, for our old students also, yeah, no charges. I think if you are from July batch, the test series, if you are from July batch, then test portal yet to open for IGC student. Okay, for May, Feb, and DLP students, it's already available. Since we have recently started classes for July batch, only 1 week over. So after 2 to 3 weeks, we will open test portal for July batch, because by the time some topics will get over, so topic wise exams will be available for engineering mechanics, fluid mechanics, and this mathematics. Okay, the another, sir, can we watch the live videos of IGC by YouTube? No, Bharat. uh, Live classes are not streamed on YouTube. Okay, because live classes we have separate IGC online platform, so there only you can attend classes or you can watch recording. Any other doubt, guys? So guys, you can reach on this number for any further concern, or those who are looking for support from IGC, they can call us, or they can also write mail to us. They can visit our website, and guys can follow us on different social media platform to get more update from IGC. So thank you guys for listening this session, and hopefully this session was useful to many, and thank you guys.